Yo, what is up guys, TSL here, back with a brand new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add premium benefits to your Roblox game. Now this means that if a player is premium, let's say they'll get double the coins, or they'll just get whatever you want. Alright, so let's get started. So what we're going to do is, we're going to first need a leader stats script. So in server script service, we'll have a script called leader stats. In here, we'll have a local players is equal to game colon get service players, a local function on player added, and we take in the player. We'll say local stats is equal to instance.new folder stats.name is equal to leader stats, and a stats.parent is equal to player. We can pretty much copy this, paste this, and change this to coins int value here, and coins.value is equal to 0, and this should be parent of stats. Alright, so that's it for the leader stats script, except for we have to do players.player added connect on player added. Alright, so then what I want to do is make a folder, call it remotes, and have a remote event in here, and that'll be called add coins. Alright, because we're going to have a button that we can click to add coins. So in starter GUI, we'll have a screen GUI and a local script, or a text button, and a local script inside that text button, and basically we just do script.parent.mouse button one click connect function. Also up here we can have our local rs is game get service replicated storage, local remotes is equal to rs.remotes, and our add coins is equal to remotes.add coins. We can also have local button is equal to script.parent, and then button.mouse button one click and add coins fire server. Alright, so that's it for the local script. So now in our server script we'll have, or server script service, have a folder called remote handlers, and inside of it we'll have a script. This will be add coins, and basically we'll say local rs is equal to game get service replicated storage, local remotes is equal to rs.remotes, and our local add coins event is equal to remotes.add coins, local function add coins, and we take in the player, say local leader stat, or we'll say local stats is equal to player.leader stats, and our local coins is equal to stats.coins, and it should be player like that, stats like that, and player like that. And then we'll say coins. Alright, so this is actually where we want to add the premium benefits. So say if player.membership type is equal to enum.membership type.premium. Why do they still have, alright, yeah, it says no longer available, but alright, enum.membership type.premium. Then what we want to do is coins plus equals amount, and we're going to have a local amount here, and we'll give 100 coins per click. We'll say amount times 2, and this should be amount, and we'll say else coins.value plus equals amount, and don't forget the dot value here. So if we do our add coins event.onServer event connect add coins, if I go ahead here and click the button, I should be getting, you guessed it, 100 coins, since I don't have premium. Boom, 100 coins. And what I want to do, I want to, inside of another text button over, let's say another text button. Actually, what we'll do is we'll duplicate this one and bring this over here, inside of here, instead of this stuff, we want local MPS game : get service marketplace service, and we'll say marketplace or MPS : prompt premium purchase, and we'll do game : get service players dot local player. So this is how you can actually prompt players to buy premium in game. If we click this, you see boom, 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 subscribe, and now I'm getting 200 coins per click. Alright, so that is how you add premium benefits to your game. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and really motivates me to keep making content for you guys, so please subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you then. Bye.